Good afternoon from London. So a lot of this morning's European session was focused around Greece and around Italy as well, with talk that Berlusconi was about to resign within the next few hours. However, though, we did see officials say that Berlusconi had denied these rumours, was not going to resign in the near future. So we saw a bit of selling pressure coming into the euro currency on that, spike low in the euro dollar around 20 pips, and we saw a bit of pressure in the DAX as well on that news. But elsewhere in Europe, we also saw the ECB announce their bond buying under the S&P programme. So last week, they spent 9.52 billion euros, and the previous week before that, they spent 4 billion. So quite an increase there, more than twice as much as the week prior. Now, elsewhere as well, we saw that sources say that the ECB Governing Council members were starting to feel quite uneasy about the future bond buying under the ECB. And we also saw an EU diplomat say that Eurozone officials were starting to feel quite sceptical about the EFSF leverage plan. So a bit of unease and uncertainty coming back into the markets again. Now, elsewhere, we saw that Fed's Rosengren said that it's likely over the next few years that inflation in the US is going to stay below 2%. Now, in the fixed income markets, we saw that the Fed conducted their outright Treasury coupon purchase, so we saw slightly higher bid to cover than previous. And also the BOE, they conducted their asset purchasing, and we saw the bid cover for that coming in slightly lower. Now looking ahead, there's not much left on the calendar. However, we do have the US consumer credit. That's at 8 o'clock London time, or 2 o'clock in Chicago. And we've also got EU's Barroso speaking a bit later on. But for now, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of the session.